Kani kediga Batisi TV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ka Committee on Environment jo ka ying dorbat hawan ka jila, haka lai pui trik unai tung arjar arpau, kala khot hajer ya ka Deputy Commissioner jo ka East Councils District, ka kong Mat Siu Dorwar Nongbri, bat ya Director ka Health Services Dr. Amanwar, ban panjing ken, halor ka jinga kun thama persya ya uknyang jingpang COVID-19 haka jila. Ucaman jo ka committee uba eskison ba udukot ka committee uba HM sang pliang. Haka jinga keran bigila pathai kubor kila tok kitru, halor ka jakat hangi kitiar bala penadkam haki hospital.
Existence of incinerators has become very essential, and therefore we have asked the departments concerned, like the Health Department and the State Pollution Board, to come up with the installation of incinerators. It has been also replied that by the Commissioner Secretary Health and Welfare, Family Welfare, that three incinerators proposal has gone to the government for setting up in Shillong, Tura and in Jawai. This committee has reiterated that the installation of incinerator is a must and has to be done immediately. Then there was also a discussion relating to the disposal of hospital waste in Jawai. It was found in a paddy field and that had gone circulation in the local press and the media. The committee had observed it as very serious, that hospital waste like syringes and medicine bottles could not be floating around in a paddy field in Jawai. This is very serious. The committee was not satisfied with the report submitted by the team, wherein they were not been able to give a satisfactory report, and therefore an inquiry has to be conducted again by the Health Department involving the State Pollution Board in this regard as to how the waste products of the hospitals are being disposed in the hospitals in Jawai. This has to be looked into very seriously. We also discussed the press clipping that we saw where PPEs were being disposed randomly and thrown away on the road in Laban area. That has been clarified by the DHS, and I think the Deputy Commissioner also has clarified that action has been taken accordingly. But then this committee has directed the Shillong Municipal Board and the Deputy Commissioner, including the DHS, that henceforth in future one should be very careful how they dispose the PPEs. Its view on the way that these medicines, syringes and the drips, whatever are being administered to the COVID patients, they are to be thrown in the proper manner as per the protocol of the review. And therefore, the health officials have already assured that care is being taken, that such things should not happen.
Apo tani ka state joni apo Shillong idan munchwa common biomedical treatment facility ante Martin ataban idan yung incinerator. But this incinerator that was installed in Martin was not functioning for a very long time. Then in the last meeting we have raised a query with the Urban Affairs Department. What happened to the new proposal? We were informed that 8 months ago that the proposal to install a common biomedical waste treatment facility at Martin is in the DPR stage. But today again we ask, unfortunately Urban Affairs Department were not here, but Health Department informed that the Urban Affairs Department has floated expression of interest for installation of common biomedical waste treatment facility again in Shillong, in Tura and in Juba. So the process is on, but I don't know how long will it take to materialize, but that is, the process is on. In other district headquarters, as we were informed, the waste were collected through a special agency, and that special agency has taken care of treatment and disposal.